Hello everybody, in today's tutorial we're going to be making a sort of Flappy Bird game. Now, let's begin. First of all, make your sprite. I think we would know by now how to make it. Now, go into backdrops. We need to make our background. After making our actual sprite, which is our character, here is Flappy Bear. To make your backdrop, go ahead, choose backdrop. I'm going to go for stars. It fits the theme. Go ahead, quickly. Go onto the line option. Make any random color that you want. Go ahead, make a line at the bottom. You'll understand why I will do this after. And a quick reminder, we will explain the code at the end for you. Now go ahead and choose a block color for your pipes and start making your pipes. I would insist, or I would recommend, to make the first level super duper easy until we make the next. Go ahead, make it to your liking. There you go, and just drop in one right here. Make it as thick as you want. You could fix the thickness in a minute. Ooh, that is too long. It doesn't look quite right to me. There we go. Now, we want you to go click on your sprite again. Drag your sprite to the location where you want to begin from. Now, go onto events. When space key pressed, go onto motion, grab go to. It's already set to the location that you chose. Now begin by going onto control, grabbing the forever loop, grab yourself an if-then statement, then inside an if-then-else statement, go into sensing, if key space pressed, then go to motion, go down until you find change Y by, go into 3, then go to move 10 steps. Else go to change Y by -5. After you do that, then grab yourself in controls if then go ahead onto sensing. If touching color, tap onto the color, go onto here, grab the color that you want. Now go ahead and go onto motion and grab yourself the same location that you had in the beginning. Then we're going to go if then, go onto sensing, grab touching color, grab on the color, go ahead, click here, grab yourself the end color, go to the same location and make yourself a new backdrop. This is a new level. Isn't that fun? Now, what should I choose? Something simple. How about light? Then go ahead, once again, you could either leave the pipes the same color or you could change them. I think changing them is better. No outline. And make your level as hard as you want, and you could continue the same process that we did. Make a color here. If touching it, go to another backdrop. So let's just go onto our code here. Of course, you have to change this color or else it'll send you back to the beginning. and go ahead and tell them looks, switch backdrop to light, which will get you the backdrop with the same colors, then do if, then if touching color, grab the color, then we want you to go back to the same location and then grab whatever color you chose here and tell it switch backdrop, and you do the same process over and over again. Now let's test it if it works. But quickly, just switch, before we test, switch backdrop to stars. And it's clearly working. Let me just get me over. Let's get over the stage. And here we are, and it sends us back. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's go on to explaining. When we press on space, we go to the location that we want, whereas here. And we switch the backdrop to stars, so we make sure that the code below works. It's also the one that has the colors that if we touch them will activate us having to go back to the location. Now, if space is clicked, then change Y by 3 and move 10 steps, which makes us go up. If we don't press on space, it'll make us drop down by -5, making us fall. If we're touching this color, excuse me, 1 minute. If we're touching this pink color over here, we go back to the same location, making us restart. If we touch this color, which is the end color, it makes us go to the next level and also makes us reset our location. And then if we're touching color blue, we will go back to our location and it stops if you fall. So then making you having to reset again and jump. And that's the code. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it very fun. Bye.